Hey guys, welcome back. And today I'm gonna share you the most precise mechanical strategy of gold, which is a scalping strategy and has up to 90 to 100% win rate. I'm gonna show you the back testing of this strategy of about a week, and you will be shocked with the results. And you are earning profits in just about 10 minutes. And this is amazing. You are gonna take two trades a day, minimum zero, maximum two trades. Okay, so I'm just listing down the rules about the strategy. Okay, so the time frame which we are gonna use is 1 minute time frame. The second thing is we will trade sharp at 7:30 Indian Standard Time. 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and will only take trades till sorry till 7:30. Actually, we'll start our trading at 7 and till 7:30. After 7:30, we are not gonna take trades. Okay, we will use this strategy by a limit order. Will not take trades manually because we are gonna trade supply and demand on a 1 minute time frame. It will be very hard to execute your order on a proper place. Okay, we are targeting 1 is to 2 risk reward for 70% of our positions, and then we're gonna trail SL for next 30% of our position. We're going to take 0 to 2 trades a day. The main thing in this strategy is to have a precise entry. If you get this, I must say you need nothing, nothing else, just a precise entry. Okay, so I'm just going to the Monday of this week. Okay, at of course 7 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, so this is a 1 minute time frame, and what you need to do is I use an indicator. I've been sharing this indicator in all my videos. It is MTF, supply and demand order block. Okay, so this indicator basically gives you the demand zones and supply zones. So this was the zone marked out by our indicator. What we need is, as soon as the price enters into any demand or supply zone after 7 or at 7, we are gonna enter at the proximal line of the order block. Our stop loss would be the distal line, but what we need to ensure is will not put our limit order directly here before even the price touches or mitigates the zone. What we'll do is, as the price enters the order block, after that we will put our limit order, and as soon as the price touches our limit order and our order gets placed, after that we're gonna put SL at the bottom of our order block, because sometimes what will happen is price will go down. It will just, you know make us feel that the order block is not valid, and then return back to its direct position. So what we can do is, as soon as the price enter, we can put a limit order here, and then let the price go for 1 is to 2. So what I can see is the price had entered our demand zone at 7, exactly at 7 2. Okay, so after it entered, I may put a limit order somewhere around here, and it was mitigated by the third candle itself. Now I'm usually gonna target 1 is to 2, which I easily achieved, and then I'm gonna trail it somewhere. So easily I'm receiving 1 is to 2.8. Okay. Now the second trade will be executed here itself. After 7 p.m., the two trades which I'm gonna take is the trades when my price enters any supply or demand zone. So when my price first entered at 7 p.m., I entered and I executed the position. Now my second trade would be when the price enters to a different supply or demand zone. This was also indicated by the indicator, and what we are gonna do is again place the limit order here. Okay, so again I'm here. You can see 1 is to 2 is easily achieved. Still the price after this, so these were the two trades on Monday itself. Still the price will follow many order blocks, and it will keep on going, but it does not matter to us. What we target is at least simple two trades a day. And if even you don't get two trades, you see the time was 7:20, so I could execute my trade even after 7:30. You can execute trade only if you think that no, this is a valid order block. Okay, now let's see the next example on Tuesday. So this was around 7 o'clock. Again at 7, it entered a zone, a supply zone, which was again indicated by my indicator. So see, what I'm saying here is the price did go inside, but it did hit the stop loss. So what we will do is we'll place a limit order here, and then we'll put a stop loss above this, not above the order block, but above this level. Okay. Now we could easily achieve a 1 is to 6 risk reward, and this was damn amazing trade. Okay, so now in the path, see, by the indicator you will be shown many order blocks, but you need to make sure which order block to choose. Like suppose here there was also an order block here. Okay, let me show you guys. This was a supply zone created by the indicator itself, and this is the demand zone created by the indicator. You must see which is the more strong, which is more stronger. You see, the price had, very aggressively bounced back from this point. So I can guarantee you that this is a very good demand zone. So I'm not gonna use this. I'm not gonna consider this small supply zone which is just created by two candles. So I'll use this demand zone. Again, the price is entered. My limit order would be somewhere here, and easily I've been achieving 1 is to 3.5. But now this is insane. This is, I must say, insane. You are receiving your profit targets in just 15 to 20 minutes. And see, this was a trade of half an hour, and this was about 20 minutes. This is insane. Guys, this strategy, when I did implement, I was too shocked by the results. But the main thing which you need to follow is precise entry. Now you see this. Here there was an order block indicated by the indicator, and this is around time like 7. Someone would have even missed this, because someone be like, the price did not even mitigated the zone. I know, but can you see these two dodgy candles? On top of that, the price is even in a downtrend, so I could expect price to even go down. You see, it's like lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So I could expect it to create a lower high and then go for a lower low. Right. So when I'm seeing these two dodgy candles, I may enter here. If you don't enter, there's no loss. Okay. You still have a very very good trade after that too. Your 1s to 6.5. See, again the price had entered a very very good demand zone. Sometimes the indicator may even not, you know, show you, but it's an obvious level of demand, guys. You see, this has been creating fair value gaps. It's just giving us breakup structures, and it's having everything which you need. This is a proper order block. Okay. Again, when price entered here, for the confirmation, it did create a double bottom, and then you see the movement which it gave. Going on for Thursday, exactly it was, I think, yeah, here. Again, guys, I'm, I'm just like, how does it works every day? I'm just showing you the demand zone. This blue zone was created by the indicator, telling us that this is a demand zone. And exactly at around 7, it did enter this demand zone. You see, you are getting a risk reward ratio of 1 is to 8 on your trade. Again, the second demand supply zone was created by this indicator, but as you see, again the price just broke through it and then came back. So what you can do is just place your limit order here and put your position. This was the second trade of the day, and this trade was insane, guys. You see the risk reward ratio you're getting. It's 1 is to 20. I will not say that each and every one of you would be, like, I can hold my trade till this 1 is to 20 risk reward. That's completely okay, guys. 1 is to 2, somewhere around here, and you are still 1 is to 20. Now, this risk reward ratio is something which rarely occurs, but this simple system is capable for giving you 1 is to 20 risk reward ratio. What do you want else, guys? It's giving you 2 trades a day, and this is the most profitable strategy I've ever seen. Okay, I'm just saying, if you are a beginner and facing psychological issues, what you need is a proper mechanical strategy. The mechanical strategy which says that you gonna enter somewhere at a proper time with proper risk reward ratio, with proper SL and limit order. Sometimes beginners hesitate to enter in trades, and that's why the best option is limit orders. And for this, I showed you how to place a limit order. If you are a beginner, please believe me, don't execute your trade manually, especially if you are a scalper. We want to be a scalper, and this is what no one could achieve if you are trading manually. Also. You need a limit order somewhere. This is a 200 EMA. I was just testing it that whether I need to see the trend for this strategy. Whether the gold is in a downtrend, so I should only short. I should only find when the price enters a supply zone, but it's not that way, guys. Believe me. This whole yellow box. Let me show you on a bigger time frame. This whole yellow box, which you could see, is a very very good supply zone, and I executed a buy order, as you see on a 1 minute time frame. My first trade, okay, I had executed this buy order with a 1 is to 7 risk reward ratio inside the supply zone. Okay, I'm not saying that higher time frame supply zones and demand zones don't work. They do work, and that's why you see this very very good risk reward ratio about 1 is to 20. It's not just because of this, but it's also because of this great big supply zone. If someone, okay, let me just make another video for this new strategy also. It's the same, but if someone who is not like that, I do not want this big mechanical strategy. I just want a single trade, or I don't know, many trades, as many trades as possible, but not fixed range. But I want high risk reward ratio, like this, 1 is to 20. Now I do not guarantee you 1 is to 20, but 1 is to 5, 1 is to 4 is way more easier, which I'm gonna share with you guys in my next video. That strategy is somewhere similar to this strategy, but yeah, it gives you high win rate and a high probable trades. Only thing which can happen in that is you will not have a good frequency trades. You'll trade rarely. That is, I hope so, a single trade per day, but that's okay, right? Being scalpers, trading a single day is it's completely okay. So I'll share this strategy with you guys in my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.